I thought this DEWALT TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0 was pretty cool. It's made of plastic, and you can see what it turns into if you so desire. These are stackable. It's a stackable draw system. Very nice. And this is how you lock them right here. They just click in like so. We got handles on the side, spring-loaded handles. And you got 1, 2, 3. This one's got 6 drawers. So that's a stackable plastic toolbox that you can just keep adding on to by DEWALT. Very nice. And here's another one over here. This one here, a little bit different. It's got removable tray for tools. A little bit deeper. It looks like it's about 10 inches deep. And they just close it like that. Oh, and it's lockable too. You can put a lock system right here, a little padlock. And these obviously are stackable. There's 3 here stacked up. The DEWALT TOUGHSYSTEM. They got all different sizes. See, you can even go super deep, medium deep, and then just a thin one on top. TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0 by DEWALT. Very nice.